Hey guys, just want to send you a quick video on how to do Monday's assignment. So you're going to go to week 4 to find out how to do that. You're going to open up the reading activity 2, which is pages 51 and 52 of the textbook. That's survey, question, read, recite, review. This is just a reading strategy to help you read academic texts or take notes on academic texts. So you can either read that 51 and 52 or follow the presentation. Or do both. Anyway, I just want you to understand what this is before you get started on the assignment. So once you do that, you're going to actually scroll to page 57 and 59 of the PDF, which is actually page 31 on the actual PDF. So let's open the textbook up, and that's going to be course textbook link. So click there. That will take you to the course textbook scans, which is on La Lima. You're going to open up chapter 1 of the PDF, and that should pop up in another screen here. And then I'm actually going to have you guys, you're going to print to PDF. And you'll have to change whatever it is, so it prints as PDF. So Microsoft Print to PDF, not save, but actually print. So that way you can actually mark up, highlight, and do things like that on there. So go ahead and do that. You're going to select the pages you want, which are pages 31 of the PDF. So you can see here on the right hand side, that's page 31. So 31 through 34, let's say. Okay. And print. It'll try to, you're going to need to save it, so you can put that in a folder, probably ELID2, and save it as your last name underscore SQ3R, or reading activity 2 is fine, either way. Okay, you can then open that up. Once you open that, you can start to mark it up. So you can add comments, for example. For instance, so let's go. Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So let's say I want to add some comments, highlight, whatever you want to do. So you can highlight, you just click the little highlighter button, highlight. You can add a text box. So let's say you found this particular section interesting. You can add a comment there. Okay. You can also add text box here if you prefer to see it right on the text. There's a number of tools you can have here for the PDF Acrobat Reader. At any rate, that's that. And once you finish, you can save it and then submit to the Google Classroom link here I have for you. Okay. Also, there's an example, a sample one from a previous student last semester, and there's everything. Okay, guys. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions or things aren't working, and we can move from there.